all, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some of the very recent job updates from Topper. Topper is an online learning platform. So here there is actually a lot of recent job updates posted, and there is actually option for earning up to 50,000 rupees per month by working from home itself. Okay, so we are going to see some of the very recent updates from Topper, and there's actually a lot of openings for any graduates, and they are not asking any specific skills. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So the first post that we are going to see is subject matter expert. This is a remote job. This is a work from home job, and the locations they have given is Hyderabad, Telangana is a location, but you can do this from your home itself. And the job role they have given here is Topper is looking for a subject matter expert in the knowledge team. So as a subject matter expert, you will clear student doubts and help them to improve the understanding. That is actually the nature of job. This is a subject matter expert job. Okay. So here this is a learning platform. Topper is actually a learning platform, and various students from various syllabus, that is CBSE, ICSE, or state syllabus, various syllabus are actually using this platform for the study purpose. And you are going to clear the student doubt. That is the job of a subject matter expert. Okay. Here, the requirements they're asking is experience is fresher 0 to 4 years, qualification is graduation or post graduation. You need to have a good communication skill, writing skills, and management skills. And other than that, if you are having MS Office skills, then you will get a preference. Okay. And also, if you have cracked GATE or JEE or NEET, you can actually get a preference. Okay. And in order to fill this, click on this icon which is called apply for this job. Now, this job is actually for any graduates or postgraduates. Even if you don't have a graduation or post graduation, you can apply for some jobs here, which is called a Topper Ambassador Program. We are going to see about that thing next. So there is actually an option which is called Student Ambassador Program, which is launched by Topper. So the job of this ambassador is actually to promote the Topper community or Topper platform in between the students. So if you are a student, or if you are doing something, or if you are having 12th plus qualification, all these candidates are eligible to apply for this ambassador post. So here you are going to promote the Topper platform. That is your job. Okay. Now, in order to do the job of an ambassador, they're actually providing you with a good training. Okay, so you can actually do this training. Just click on the go to training, and you will get a knowledge about what you are actually going to do in this job. Okay, so that is one of the biggest advantage here. See, you can become an ambassador here. These are various ambassadors. So this person is earning 30,000 per month. This person is a student and she's earning 50,000 per month. This is a business owner. 25,000 per month he is earning. Okay, so you can actually do this as a part-time job, or if you are interested in this type of jobs like an ambassador job or a counseling or a interacting with people and talking with them about the community. That is the job. Okay, so Topper is actually looking for a ambassador post also. A lot of people are working as ambassadors, and also they'll get good payment. You can earn up to 50,000 per month. That is a biggest advantage of this job. Okay, you don't need to have a specific qualification or any specific skills. Now, other than this, there's actually other job roles present in the Topper community. As a fresher, the first job always matters, right? But do you want the recruiters to choose your company or your job role for you? Or are you interested in making your own career? Then Relevel by Unacademy is here to help you. So here you can find your dream job and your dream company and dream package. The main companies like Urban Company, Razorpay, Upgrad, Meesho, and other unicorns and various startups are actually hiring through this platform, which is called Relevel. So you can also find your dream job here, whether it is in the front end or in the back end or in business development. So this is a completely free of cost platform. You don't have to pay any money here. You just have to apply here for free. And the next thing you have to do here is you have to book a test slot, and then you have to record a video resume. In this video resume, you have to speak about your skills, your achievements, your background, all these things. And then you have to give a test. And if you get a good score in the test, you will be actually hired by dream companies. You have to get a score percentage 70% above, and then you will be hired by all the dream companies and you can get your dream job. So please make use of this free of cost platform. Also, if you would like to know about the success stories, or if you would like to know about the achievers through Relevel, you can just see their Twitter page. They have shared the details of persons who actually found their dream jobs through Relevel platform. So these are various persons who got their dream jobs, and they actually got placed in different companies based on Relevel score. Okay, so you can also try this platform. This is a free of cost venture. So please make use of this platform, and you need to just get a good score in the Relevel test, and you will get your dream company and your dream package. Let's have a look on those. There is job openings for content creators. Content creator is a person who is actually going to create questions, contents for various subjects. Okay. See, content creation means creating of questions, solutions, etc. That is the job of a content creator, and various subjects are there for which you have to create contents. There is general knowledge, there is business studies, various subjects actually, biology, chemistry, civics, computer science, whichever area you are interested in, you can create questions. And they have actually given the amount they are giving for questions. See here, you will get, this is for a subject biology which I have taken, 13 rupees per question. For every question which you are creating, you will get 13 rupees. Just like that, there is story creation. See here, in order to create a story, you will get 300 rupees. So they'll actually tell you what is actually story, how to create a story, everything you will be trained. The training you will be getting, and you have to create the stories, and that is the job. Okay, so just click on this apply for job. You can apply for this post of content creator. Okay, and then there is solving doubts. This is same as the job of a subject matter expert. Here you are going to solve the doubts of the students, and here the most important thing you have to focus on is how fast you are solving the doubts. If you are solving the doubts fastly, then your chances of being permanent will be increased. And here you have to get some certificates to solve the doubts of every subject. Okay, see here. For physics, you need to have communication skills, general aptitude, and physics. Now, here they are showing that get missing certificates. So some certificates are required in order to actually start the job of this, doubt solving or subject matter expert. So here, this is actually not specifically saying a subject matter expert. This is actually called as doubt solving. Okay, any person can solve the doubt. You don't need to have a graduation, or you don't need to have a diploma or any qualification. Provided that if you are having these certificates, you can clear the doubts. Okay. Now, get missing certificate. There are 3 certificates required to solve the doubts of this physics subject. The first one is communication skills. In order to get the certificate, you need to pass a test. Okay, that is a criteria. The test duration is 30 minutes. Question type is MCQ. Also, they have given here there is no negative marking. You will only get one attempt to answer the questions. Evaluate all options carefully. The award certificate will be having limited validity. Once the validity is expired, you have to give the test again. So likewise, you have to pass the test in order to get the certificate. Means your basic knowledge will be analyzed, and if you are having the basic knowledge, you can actually start solving the doubts. Okay, so this is the another job which you can do here, and that is called doubt solving. And the third one, which is called ambassador. Okay, so these 3 jobs you can do here. You can either work as a content creator, you can either work as that is for solving doubts, or you can work as an ambassador. So this ambassador is more a public relations kind of a job. You will be interacting with the students and the parents, and you will be promoting the topper community. That is the job. Okay, so here this is the various jobs that you can do here, and you can get paid up to 50,000. Okay, especially for the ambassador job, lot of it is having the maximum payment. Also here the payment you can get through direct bank withdrawals. Directly an invoice is generated, and if you fill up the bank details and everything for the in the invoice statement, you will get the payment directly to the bank. You don't have to go for Paytm or PayPal or any other options. Directly bank transfer or bank withdrawal is possible. Okay, so here see, we have actually talked about the payments. Minimum withdrawal amount need to be 1,000 rupees is a benchmark. If it is achieved, then you can withdraw. Okay, then after that, you can fill here your bank details, your account number, bank name, IFSC code, PAN number, everything. Okay. So you can apply for any of this job. You can either try for the ambassador post, or the for doubt solving, or for content creation, or you can try separately. There is an application link for subject matter expert, which I'll be posting in description. Okay. Other than this, there's actually a lot of other job openings also. in the Topper platform for various areas like in home sales. Then there is knowledge area, finance, customer care or customer success, marketing, engineering, HR, products. So here a lot of experienced candidate updates and fresher updates is present. Okay, for example, for this home sales category, you can find jobs like customer outreach executive. See here, this is a customer outreach executive post. Here, they are not asking for any experience. And the basic thing here is actually this is a customer service or a customer care kind of a job. Okay, you can find a lot of other jobs like this also, in whether in the engineering department or in the marketing or in the customer success or in the sales department. Okay, also this link I'll be posting separately in description. So whichever category you're belonging to, you can also search for some other jobs. So a lot of options are actually present, a lot of job updates. So please make use of this platform. I have tried to bring up maximum updates from this Topper platform. Actually, variety of options is present. Whichever job you are interested in working with, you can go for it. Whether you are interested in just solving the doubts, or if you are interested in creating questions or content, you can do that job. Or if you're interested in working as an ambassador, you can try that. Or in some other specific fields which you are focusing, you can again see on that area also. Okay, so this is actually a lot of updates for a lot of people out there. So if you are interested in any of this post, please apply for it as soon as possible. So that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. If yes, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please make sure you like the video, share the video with your friends. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching. Keep supporting.